Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from Domesticated Me here with a very special unboxing. Today I'm going to show you the Sephora Holiday Vibes Advent Calendar. I'm so excited for this. This has a retail value of $102 but costs only $45, and if you get it during the sale then you can get an additional discount. So I'm really excited to open this up and show you whether it's worth it or not. So let's take a look. I'm going to use my little handy dandy paw box cutter to open this up. So cute. All right, this is what the inside looks like. How cute and colorful is that? All right, let's start with number one. Where is number one? Here it is. The box says, "Get caught red-handed." Oh, so cute. It is a Sephora Color Hit nail polish in beautiful, beautiful, true red right here. What a beautiful holiday color. If you're into pinup looks, this is a beautiful pinup red. So cute. Oh, number two is right here. I'm gonna have to probably lay this flat at some point because it's all gonna start coming apart. But the box says chill, and then such an easy stick. Let's see. A bamboo mask stick, and it says that it is mattifying. There you go for your little at-home spa days. Number three, box says cozy, and hair clips for high style. Ooh, very cute. It's a sparkly pink hair clip with a metallic gold clip on the back. Very cute. Number four, reach for the bath. A Sephora Fizzing Star. There we go. I'm seeing a very nice spa day happening. Okay, number five. The box itself says shine and give your skin a bedtime cleanse. This is a Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water. Number six. Cleansing time for noses. Ooh, a Sephora Charcoal Nose Strip. I love these things. Okay, seven. Time to get starry-eyed. Ooh, this is a glitter shadow. It's in the color number 232, Girl Talk. And it's like a sparkly pink with silver glitter. Number eight, wrap yourself in a cotton bath. A Sephora Cotton Flower Fizzing Star, another little bath bomb right there. Number nine, the box says, "Baby, it's cold outside," and it says, "The 90s are asking for their hair back." Very cute. This is like a little beigey scrunchie right here with a little bow at the end. So cute. Number 10, mini size for maxi eye look. This is a Sephora eye pencil to go in intense black. Super handy. 11, under the coconut tree. Ooh, very nice. Here we have a Sephora coconut face mask. 95% ingredients from natural origin. And it says it has eucalyptus derived fiber. 12, mirror, mirror on the wall. Oh, here we have a very mini Sephora mirror. Handy to keep in your wallet or your purse. 13, the Made for Travel Coconut. This is Sephora Coconut Water Cleansing Wipes. Nice little packaging right there. 14, don't forget your morning cocktail. This is a Sephora Hyaluronic Acid Super Hydrate All Day Hydrator to hydrate and glow. 15, file name, nails. And of course, it's a Holiday Vibes nail filer. It says Sephora on the other side. 16 says Holiday Vibes. Ooh, this is a Sephora lip liner to go, and it's in the color Classic Red. Perfect for the holidays. I love a good red lip, so big fan of that. 17, scrub it all off. This is a Sephora Brighten Skin Exfoliating Scrub. This is really good for travel. 18, pink is the new chic. Oh, that's a very, very pretty pink. It's like a mauvey pink a classic color that you can wear all day. You can wear it to work, to the office, to your house of worship, etc. It's always going to work. Really nice color. Number 19, the secret to an impactful eye look. Here we have a Sephora pomegranate eye mask. Number 20, shine bright like a top coat. Okay, that solves that mystery. Here we have a Sephora clear top coat to go with the other 2 nail polishes. 21, never without my twin. Very cute. We have another hair clip. This one is a pearlized pink hair clip with, again, a gold tone metal right there. Very, very cute. Number 22, it all starts in the nude. And here we have another Sephora colorful matte eyeshadow. This is in the color My Dear Nude, number 282. And this is a matte, kind of a light grayish beige. 23, always on hand. Ooh, I needed this. Here is a clip for the back of your phone so that you can, with a little ring so that you can hold on to it and not have to worry about dropping it as you're carrying it around. I drop my phone constantly. I broke the last clip that was on my phone, so I need this. This is really handy. And last but not least, number 24, your BFF needs no introduction. Ooh, here we go. Here is a Sephora cream lip stain. This is in the number 13, which is a really nice mauve-y pink. A very nice nude color. Works perfectly for me. I love it. It actually matches this pretty well. So, is it worth it? I would say that if you got it during the sale and you were able to get an additional discount on this, then yes, it's worth it because you do get 24 products. It would make for a really cute gift. All the little surprises, one a day. I think that it's cute. Now, if you are just going to pay $45 straight out of your pocket plus tax, I don't know. I think it just depends on the person. If you're going to use all of these products, if you love everything in here, then sure, it's a cute little advent calendar. If you are not into reds or nudes, or you wear gel polish and you're not going to use any of that nail polish, then no. If there's anything in here that you're not a particular fan of, that you're not going to use, or a few things, then no, it's not worth it. I think there are a lot of other really fun advent calendars out there that you can enjoy for the same price, for $45. I am actually doing a list of advent calendars on domesticatedme.com. I already did one web story with some of my favorite beauty advent calendars. And I'm going to be doing more, so definitely check that out. Make sure that you are following me on the blog, on Instagram, on Twitter, because I post a lot more often there. And yeah, I think that's it. Overall, I liked it. I thought it was cute. I did get 20% off, which means I got this for, $35? So for me, it was okay. It was okay. I say I got my money's worth. But again, if you just pay $45 straight out of pocket and some of these you don't like you don't wear scrunchies, you don't wear hair clips, or don't have anyone in your life that would wear hair clips, or nail polish, or those single eyeshadows, or you don't wear red, then yeah, you might want to save your money and look for something else, another advent calendar or another holiday set that is something more useful for you. So those were my thoughts, but now I want to know yours. Let me know what you think of this advent calendar. Did you buy it? Are you buying it for someone else? What are your thoughts about the individual products? Or are you skipping this one? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you have another friend or family member who loves beauty and skincare, please like and share this video with them. It really helps me out on YouTube. And again, please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can set your notifications on for all. That way you don't miss a thing. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.